Mura na, hulugan pa. Lot for sale at Barangay Vargas Sta Ignacia Tarlac. For only 90,000 pesos, may 100 square meter lot ka na for cash payment. For only 110,000 pesos na pwedeng hulugan sa loob ng 12 up to 18 months. Easy access, convenience is king, and our property doesn't disappoint. Located along a barangay cemented road, you'll have smooth and easy access to all your favorite places. Just a short 3-minute drive to Romulo Highway, 10 minutes to Santa Ignacia Public Market, and 20 minutes to SM Tarlac. Your future home awaits you in Barangay Vargas Sta Ignacia Tarlac. With a great environment, overlooking view, and modern amenities, this lot for sale is a steal. Reserve your spot with just 5,000 pesos and take advantage of our easy installment plan. What more could you ask for? Secure your 100 square meter lot now. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity. For inquiries and tripping, feel free to contact me. I will be more than happy to assist you in making this beautiful property your own. Call or text 0956-008-1267 or 0961-5084-678. Send a direct message or PM me at thelandofvy.